Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, so let's see Scorpio. February 2025. What's up? You have Lion. Oy. Lion is about your strength. So, maaring palalakasin mo yung iyong pangangatawan. Ngayong February, may mga activities kang gagawin, working out, exercise, ganyan. This can also be your courage, yung iyong lakas ng loob. And Lion in this card is also about karma. So, kung ano yung binibigay mo, yun yung matatanggap mo. So, pay attention kung ano yung energy na binibigay mo sa iba, sa sarili mo ngayong February kasi yun din yung matatanggap mo. You also have the star. So, the star is your guide. You are divinely guided. This is divine guidance. I also see you na mas magpo-focus sa sarili na hindi ka aasa sa iba kasi alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong marating, ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. At ikaw yung mas pinaka naniniwala sa sarili mong vision, sa sarili mong pangarap. You have the spider. So, speaking of tiwala, this is about trust. Trusting yourself. Trusting your capabilities, yung mga kaya mong gawin. You also know, yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na yung purpose nyo eh. You are aligning yourself to your purpose. Ina-align mo yung sarili mo sa yung destiny. Let's see what else. Some of you, meron kayong i-improve. Parang, it's part of the innovation. So, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, i-upgrade mo siya. So, yung iba, example, meron kang computer, i-upgrade mo yung computer mo. Or i-upgrade mo yung knowledge mo. Mag-aaral ka. Magdadagdag ka ng kaalaman, ng skill. So, there's some sort of upgrade for you ngayong February. Your overall energy is the Three of Swords. Ooh. Bakit may heartbreak dito? This can be parang feeling sad. Why are you feeling sad? What is the Three of Swords? The Moon. Yung iyong emosyon. Some of you, Scorpio, maaring meron ditong separation. Pwedeng separation sa isang kaibigan, romantic partner. For some of you, maari kasing meron kayong malalaman about someone or in a situation na nagtiwala ka pero meron palang mga bagay na itinago sa'yo. Your challenge is the Fool. Yung iba gusto nyo mag-take ng risk, gusto nyo magsimula muli, pero natatakot kayo. So, yung challenge sa'yo kung paano ka maglalakas ng loob. Kaya nga may Lion dito, which is about your strength, your courage, to take some risks. Siyempre, well-calculated risk din yan. Although, para dun sa iba, talagang all out yung pagtitake nila ng risk. This can be sa business or bagong situation na papasukin mo. Can be a new job. Something na hindi ka pa ganun ka maalam. So, parang bagong experience to for you. Your opportunity is the Queen of Cups. So you have the opportunity to express your creative talents, your creative skills. Some of you are divinely gifted. Meron kayong spiritual gifts, psychic gifts, or someone na who can help heal other people, no? Yung iba, if you are planning to have a baby, so maaring may opportunity for pregnancy. And then your blessing is the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing, Scorpio. Tinan mo, ginaguide ka talaga sa destiny mo. Merong star. I think, this is like a separation from a situation na something old sa buhay mo, na syempre nakakalungkot na aalis ka doon, but meron ka kasing bagong pupuntahan, may bagong direction na tatahakin. Oo. For example, 'di ba, nag-resign ka sa trabaho. Nakakalungkot kasi syempre may mga kaibigan ka na diyan, or matagal ka na sa trabaho na 'yan and nakapag-build ka na ng mahabang tenure, no? So, somehow, nakakalungkot. Pero, ang blessing sa'yo is, kung saan man yung direction na tatahakin mo, dun ka mas magiging successful. Dun mas magkakaroon ng growth for you. 'Di ba? Speaking of success, you will have recognition. Merong mga admirers. So, itong admirer na to, pwedeng romantic admirer, pwede rin nag-a-admire sila sa galing mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo. You have olive branch. Peace offering. So, maaring merong hingi ng tawad. It's either ikaw or the person that you're dealing with. Maaring magkakaayos. Oo. Or kung sino man na makakasamaan mo ng loob or nakasamaan mo ng loob. So, ngayong February, you will try to make amends and work things out. Very disciplined ka rin, Scorpio. Ngayong February sa mga goals mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve for February. Let's say, gusto mong pumayat. So, magiging disiplinado ka sa kinakain mo. Or gusto mong magpalakas ng pangangatawan. So, magiging disiplinado ka na mag-exercise ka. So, it will give you confidence, no? The moment na ma-achieve mo na yung goals mo. Let's see. Ano pa for Scorpio? February. Announcement. Uy. Either may announcement sa work, sa trabaho, or ikaw yung magbibigay ng announcement sa mga tao, or yung person mo ay magbibigay ng announcement. Uy, baka merong magbibigay ng pera or meron ka matatanggap na certain amount of money. Pwede rin itong mana, no? Marireceive mo from your family. Or merong opportunity for you na malalaman mo na ito ay may malaking potential na magbigay sa'yo ng financial stability or income. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. Wow. So, kung ano man challenges na yan na dumating ngayong February, ito ay malalagpasan mo. Something might disappoint you na minsan ganun talaga, no? May mga bagay na gusto nating mangyari pero hindi umaayon sa atin. But it doesn't mean na tapos na yun, no? So, it only means na meron kang redirection para sa iba sa inyo. Oo. Niredirect ka dun sa purpose mo talaga. Yung destiny mo. 'Di ba? Scorpio, there is change. A resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. Oh. 'Di ba? So may new beginnings for you. Kailangan nyo nang i-let go yung old. Something na no longer serving you. And mas maging open ka sa mga bagong experiences. Yung iba kasi parang, ayoko kasi hindi ako komportable, hindi ako pamilyar. So, paano ka makaka-experience ng upgrade? Paano may magbabago kung hindi ka willing na i-let go or umalis sa sitwasyon mo? 'Di ba? Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.